Okay, recording.
Hello everybody, my name is Gabby. I'm a kid scientist. I named myself Gabby the Great Scientist. And I'm going to make a volcano today. But first, I'm going to tell you about how I learned about the stuff, what am I supposed to do in the volcano. Let's start at water vapor. The secret code is H2O. The sun heats up the water and then steam come out, and not really called steam. It's something else. It's called something else. This is what it's called. Evaporation. And then the evaporation goes into the air. It turns back into little water drops, but it turns into water bubble drops. And then it goes inside the cloud, and that's called condensation. Then the water comes back out of the clouds, and it goes back into the water when it rains. Next is carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide, the code is CO2. And on the land, the carbon dioxide in the cloud, it comes out and goes into the air, and it goes into the plants and food and all of that. And then when the animals eat the plants, the big animals eat the little animals. Just like persons like us. Sometimes we eat little animals and big animals. And when we breathe out, it goes back into the atmosphere.
Very good.
And let's talk about ocean now. The ocean has little condensate in it too. It falls out of the sky and it goes into the water and it falls on plants. When the big sea creatures and the little sea creatures eat the plants, they got carbon dioxide too. When they breathe it out too, it goes out. In the ocean, the word is really called carbon cycle. And that's it. Now,
Well, I have a question for you. What has more carbon dioxide flowing around? Is it on land or in the ocean?
it's in the... Okay, say that again?
Okay, what has more carbon dioxide, land or ocean?
The ocean.
And what's the ocean called because it has so much carbon dioxide? What's it called?
It's called
A carbon dioxide what?
a carbon dioxide sink.
Okay.
And now let's start at the final touch, my volcano.
And why did we learn about vapor and carbon dioxide? What does that have to do with a volcano?
Because the carbon dioxide and the water vapor is inside the volcano.
Okay.
And now let's see how I made this. I already made this, but I want to do it again. I used a little bit of baking soda. It's empty, but I'm going to put some more in there. And I got some food coloring, and it's red, and I'm going to put some in there. And I got some soap. I'm supposed to put it in there. And then I got some oil to put it in.
Vinegar.
Vinegar to put it in there. Okay, now for the baking soda. And now I'm supposed to put some red food coloring.
Just put one.
Then I'll put some soap. 1, 2. Okay. Now some oil
Vinegar.
and vinegar. I'm going to put them inside here. A little more.
Wow, lava.
And then it turns out like this. I'll put one more food coloring. Yeah. Okay.
That is cool.
And that's how I make my volcano.
Good job.